Hi guys, this is Mariam here. In this video, I'm going to use an embroidery hoop as a canvas for an acrylic painting. Let's get started. This is my reference for this project. Here, I'm attaching a cloth to the embroidery hoop. And I'm going to prep the cloth by applying water on the back side of it so that it tightens. And I am going to use two shades of light blue for the water, and in between I will be adding white. And here I am sketching the fishes. Let's paint the fishes. I'm adding details with an orange. To add lily pads using darker green, then I will be adding shades with a lighter green on top. And here I'm adding the details for the fishes. I will be outlining the fishes with black paint. And here I am sewing the extra cloth on the back side of the hoop. I am using a chalk to outline the back side of the hoop. I am pressing the paper on the back side of the hoop so that the chalk gets applied to it. I have cut out the circle and attached it to the back for neatness. And here we have it, the final painting.